Hey guys, it's your girl Shalae, and I'm back today with another video. Now, y'all know this ain't even my regular recording day, but I am here to talk to you about the child tax credit. Now guys, there's so much information online right now discussing when you're going to get your payments, as well as if you owe child support, can you get a payment still, like, that debt collection. Then for my non-filers, my Social Security VA people, how do you go about getting your money, as well as those that have that it's complicated relationship. You divorce, you separated, maybe common law, we like each other today, but then we don't like each other when it comes to money. Yeah, those type of couples. So if you want to know what is going on in the lovely world of child tax credit, all you got to do is stay tuned. Your girl's got you covered. Now, if this is your first time tuning into my channel, darling, what have you been? Hi, hello, hey friend. My name is Shalae, and here on this channel, we discuss shopping, saving, and everything in between. I would love to have you a part of my internet family. Super easy. Click the big old red subscribe button down below when you're in, just like that. And while you're at it, go ahead and give me a like, because you love me bringing this content to you on a Tuesday. But speaking of content, guys, don't forget to check out, this is my very first video on my vlog channel. Yeah, so I have a secondary channel, so vlog is gonna get a lot better, okay? But today is my 6-year anniversary on YouTube. So 6 years ago, I released a video, and I thought it was only fitting that 6 years later, I start my new channel. So I have a vlog channel. We're doing some renovations over there. It's gonna get good. It's gonna get juicy, but I had to give you what I can give you, okay? So go check out that video. Leave me a like, leave me a comment, as well as say, happy anniversary, girl. Tony Town. It's our anniversary. All right, so enough about me and that, okay? But if you're new, go ahead and purchase my ebook as well. I do have an ebook where I tell you how to get this money on YouTube, and you see I'm about to build it from the ground back up. So this new vlog channel, I'm building it from the ground up, right? So, hey, get on it with me. Let's do it. Now, according to the IRS, guys, they have notified 36 million people that you may qualify for monthly child tax credits. Now, here they go. They're saying that the average tax credit amount is going to be about $4,380. Can I get a loan? Can I borrow some? Can y'all hold me some until I get my taxes? So as of right now, letters are going out this week for families who may be eligible based on information that included either their 2019 or 2020 federal tax return, or for those who use the non-filers tool that they had on the irs.gov, the one that halfway worked, but it's working now. So if you registered last year for your economic impact payments, aka the stimulus payments, BKA, better known as the STEMI, then you already on there. Now, they said the actual 6 advance payments are set to actually begin on July 15th. That will be your first payment. The second payment will be August 13th. The third payment, September 15th, October 15th, November 15th, and December 15th. So they're going to try to do it the 15th of each month. Now, families that are eligible for the credit, you're going to receive a second letter. So you're going to get the first letter notifying you, hey, you part of this 36 million, right? Then you're going to get a second letter giving you an estimate of how much you may receive. So just say if you have one child that's under the age of 6, then you're probably going to get the $300. So they will give you that. Now, the amount will be determined based on your 2020 tax return. If that tax return is not available, then it's going to default to your 2019 tax return. Now, girl, Shalae, what else do we need to know, mama? What else? Because we want to make sure. How do you get these payments, right? Well, the IRS is creating 2 portals on July 1st. Uno, dos. And it will allow parents to choose, do you want the monthly payments, meaning you're going to get a payment from July, August, September, October, November, December. You'll get it for the next 6 months. Or do you want just a lump sum payment where you just receive it when you go to file your taxes in 2022? On there. Now, you will also be able to do in this portal where you can update the information, such as if you just had a child this year or last year and it wasn't included, or you just got married, right? Congratulations on both. Maybe you got a divorce, and that's still a congratulations, depending on what the relationship is. But you will be able to go on this portal and update your information, as well as like your direct deposit information, your checking information as well. So you'll receive half the payments from July to December, and the payments will come how you filed your taxes. So if you filed your taxes and you selected direct deposit, you'll get your check direct deposit. Now, if you're still on the snail mail, okay, girl, I'm not judging, do you, boo, all right? Then you're gonna get the check by mail. It's just gonna be a little bit later. But that portal is going to be up and running by July 1st, and they will have a Spanish version on the portal as well. So, hey, I like it. Now, how much would the payments be? We've talked about this before, but hey, the monthly payments are going to be $250 for children age 6 through 17. For all children under the age of 6, you will get $300. So, for example, if you got 3 kids, okay, you got a 3-piece chicken sandwich from Popeyes, 3 whole wings, okay? Then, and your children is between the age of 6 and 17. Don't get lost in the message. You got 3 wings, 6 through 17. Then you'll get $250 per child, which will be a total of $750 a month, which will total $4,500 in payments. Then you'll get your other $4,500 when you go to file your taxes in 2022. Now, a single filer, children under the age, or for a single filer, you must make under $75,000 per year to receive the full amount, and it will go up to $90,000 and you'll just get a reduced amount. Joint filers, you can get up to $150,000, both you and your husband or your spouse combined, and then up to $170,000 to get the full amount as well. Now, they're determining the age based on what the child's age will be come December 31st of 2021. So if sometime this year your child is 5 and they're turning 6, allegedly you're supposed to get the $250, but we'll have to see when all that comes out. Now, a lot of people were asking me in other videos and on Ask Shalae, which you can submit your questions still to Ask Shalae. I'll get one of those videos out pretty soon. But people were asking, can the IRS garnish any old debts or any payments like they did with the stimulus? And that really depends, okay? So you know how Uncle Sam is, okay? You already know they want their money. Told you, 3 people you don't play with: the I, the R, and the S. Okay, so moving along. The IRS cannot take payments for federal and state debt, such as like back taxes, and they cannot garnish the debt for back child support. So if any of those apply to you, no. But if you have a private debt collector, such as a medical bill, a credit card bill, or some type of judgment that was on you, then you can have the funds garnished according to the IRS. And you can go to the irs.gov. They got a full Q&A on there where you can check and see. Now, what about parents that are divorced? It's complicated. I think that's what Facebook has. It's complicated. Common law. We just been together, right? What about that? So just say you had 2 parents that divorced in 2020 and they share custody of a 17-year-old. The mother claimed the child on her 2020 tax returns, and say the father is going to claim the child next year on his 2021 tax returns. Well, because their 2019 tax returns was complicated, and just say at that time they were married in 2019, they're divorced in 2020, according to the legislation, the tax return for the preceding tax year will be for the person that's eligible to claim the child. So girl, what does all this mean? This means that the person who actually claimed the child as a dependent in 2020, so that would be the mom, then she would be the one who's entitled to get the advance payments. Now, that's what it goes as of right now. The Treasury and the Department, they haven't released any details on how they would administer these advance payments. Like, are they going to do split payments, or how does it work with split custody arrangements? But the one that claimed the child this year, or the most current tax return, that is going to be the parent that gets it. All right. So, I'm just the messenger. Okay. Don't get mad at me. moving along, how can non-filers claim the child tax credit as well? Because they need their money, right? My Social Security, my VA, what is it? Who else am I missing? Widows, survivors, waddles, right? They need it. So the IRS right now has clarified that in order to get the child tax credit, you need to file a 2020 income tax return. So they're saying right now there's two ways that they can go ahead and process the payment. One, they would need certain information that they would not normally have, but it would be on a federal tax return. So they said you can actually file your return electronically, even if you have a $0 adjusted gross income. Now they said you can file a normal, like a normal tax return, or you could do what is called a simplified tax return on it. And they said it's super easy. They're not even charging to do this. They're having people help you. That's the easiest way, even if you have $0, zero gross income, that's the easiest way for them to have all your information and make sure that you are good to go when these child tax credits start. But if not, you're gonna have to wait till the portal open, and it's not a guarantee that you will get your money the same time that everyone else is getting their money. So that's what we have. Those are some of the questions, but yeah, be on the lookout. Check your mailboxes, because you're probably getting a letter in there that's saying you are eligible for the child tax credit. Keep looking at the mailboxes. You're going to get a second letter. It's going to give you an estimate, and that estimate should say who they have on file. So how many children that they have on file for you as well. And if you're still like pressed and you want to know, because you know, hey, that money can help out a lot of people. I get it. I'm not judging. That's not my business, right? On there, if you go to University of Michigan, they launched a website that would help families navigate the tax credits to ensure everything they're entitled to. The website will actually tell parents how much they qualify, what they can receive, where they can file their taxes, and more. And they have frequently asked questions on there, so you can check that out as well. And that's all I have, guys. I mean, I came to y'all on a Tuesday. Your girl has been working. I'm putting out these videos. I'm trying to stay consistent. Let me know down below if you, what type of videos would you like to see. Let me know if you checked out my vlog channel. If you subscribe, go check out that video, okay? It's no ads on it, right? Because it's not monetized. I'm starting over. I'm starting from ground zero, honey. And while you're at it, go ahead and get this ebook, okay? You about to get some money. You about to get some money in July. Go ahead and get this ebook for $14.97 and make more money, more money, more. That's all I have, guys. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you actually tomorrow. Bye, guys.